Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your current Windows edition, build number, and that activation is valid. This prevents licensing surprises. Once done, create a backup image or copy critical files to cloud or external storage because upgrades can fail. Make sure you have at least 20 GB free, a plugged-in device, and a stable internet connection for downloads. Now open Settings, go to Update and Security, and choose Windows Update to check for the offered upgrade. Begin the download when ready. You let the update download completely and avoid interrupting it. Partial downloads cause corruption. When prompted, choose whether to keep your files and apps or perform a clean install. Keep files for faster recovery, clean install for stability. Once the installer restarts your PC, watch the phases: preparing, installing features, and configuring settings. If drivers are outdated, pause and update them first. Stay patient. This stage can take 30–90 minutes, depending on hardware and update size. You complete out-of-box setup by signing into your account, tuning privacy choices, and verifying default apps so your workflow returns to normal. Once in Windows, open Device Manager and Windows Update to install any driver updates and cumulative patches. This resolves many post-upgrade glitches. If the upgrade fails or behaves badly, note any error codes, use the recovery option to roll back within 10 days, or perform a clean install from bootable media. This last step fixes persistent corruption, but requires restoring backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.